Hey, Vortex here, and welcome to my review of an oldie but a goldie. This is the Urbanfun hybrids. So it uses a balanced armature and a dynamic driver, which is with a beryllium coating. I bought these back in early 2018, and I think these still stand up in mid to late 2020. This is the normal packaging. There is a better packaging which includes a lot more things, but mine's the basic one because I don't think it's really worth the money. But here you go, very simple box, and that's it. That's basically it. As you will see when I open it up in a second, it doesn't really come with much. I can't really understand most of that, really. I have no idea what that says, but it does include an inline microphone, and it's a 3.5 1.2 meter cable, 16 grams, so not too bad, 20 ohm impedance, 110 decibel sensitivity. It goes from 5 to 40,000 hertz. So technically this is high res, but that doesn't really matter to me because people can't hear that high anyway. And you get a carry case, which is, I think it's fine really. I like the kind of fake-ish carbon fibre effect. It works fine. But these type of cases are plentiful on places like Amazon or eBay, AliExpress. And here we go, you get the earphones, which obviously I've used for on and off for a year or two. And it comes in the baggies, the large tips and small. And it comes with the mediums fitted as like default. So I always tend to use mediums. I have no issues. So this is the cable straight in line to 4-pole because it has a microphone. Little strain relief. That little thing there is for how it was originally wrapped. There's a few kinks which I might try and hang these up for a while to see if it gets them out. There's the Y split, no strain reliefs, inline mic with the microphone on the back, as you can see, and there's just a button, just play, pause, and that's it. So really straightforward, and these are still around £15. I don't know if they've changed the tuning since, but I've had these, as you say, for a couple of years, and I like this black variant. But like I said before, these are a hybrid. There is the R for the connector, the one that says L. So yeah, simple hybrid design. I prefer the in-ear monitor type, but these are convenient for just taking them in and out of your ears. So comfort I thought was fine. I prefer, like I said, I prefer the in-ear monitor one to over-the-ear type of cable. Sound, these are a V shape, and I'm still surprised how well these stand up. In coming up to mid to late 2020. It's one of them side firing armatures which you'll probably see on the promotional images. They do a version which is just a single dynamic, but I haven't tried that, but that'll probably be fine as well. So this is like a V shape. They class it as hi-fi sound, which I kind of understand, but it's not an aggressive V. It's a little bit warm in the low end, but on the treble part I didn't find it too bad. I still think this, if they released this today, it'd still be a solid performer, I think. But yeah, good details really for what it is. Nice build. Say it's a V shape, but it's not too bad. Imaging details, soundstage I thought was all fine, no real, and sensitivity was fine. I think it does a good. These are kind of average, but they do a good job in like multiple categories, shall we say? And yeah, this is the conclusion part. This works. These perform fine for the £15. I think they've still perform well in 2020, and not much to say really. There's not much to do, but they are. I think them fine. I think they're probably a pretty good recommendation. I'm not sure if the sound has changed in the last year or two, but here you go, quick review. And yeah, thanks for watching.